this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am going to be sublimating some tumblers for teachers. Now, here where I live, Teachers Appreciation Day is coming up very soon. Actually, it's next week. So I want to go ahead and sublimate some tumblers for my twins teachers. If you've been following me a while, you already know I absolutely love to give gifts to teachers. I feel like they are so deserving of it. So I'm going to be sublimating a design that I made in Canva. All right. So here is the tumblers that I have, and it comes in this box right here. It comes with the straw, and I bought a bunch of them from Heat Transfer Warehouse. That is my go-to place for tumblers, as well as a lot of things that you see me use here on my channel. All right, like coasters and things. The coasters that I did that time, that came from Heat Transfer Warehouse also. So I will be linking in the description box my sublimation playlist tutorials, as well as my Cricut playlist tutorials and my most recent video, so that you can go back and watch them. Okay, but this is the tumbler that I'm going to be sublimating on, and as you see, it comes with a straw. And I love that it has the plastic on the straw, so that when I give it to the teachers, you know, it will already have the plastic on it. Okay, so what I'm going to do after I sublimate it, I may put it back in the box so that they can keep it if they want. Put it back in the box, or I may just put it, I have something else that I'm going to be giving to them also, so I may just make them a cute little bag. You know, I make baskets also, so I may just make up like a little basket and put it in there. Not quite sure yet, but I'm going to show you the design that I have designed in Canva. I'm going to go ahead and print that design out on my Epson ET2760 converted sublimation printer. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Alright, so here I am in Canva, and this is my design here. I just did the background in notebook paper, and I just went on here, just started adding different things in that relates to a teacher. All right, so you see I put the school bus. Teaching is a work of heart. Then I just put the name, some sunflowers, books. I put back to school, the light bulb, and all of those things. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and print this out on my Epson ET2760 converted sublimation printer. So hey.
Hi.
All right, y'all, so while I am letting my design print out, remember to always spray down your tumbler. Now you can use alcohol, you can use Clorox wipes, just whatever it is that you want to use or that you have on hand. Okay, I have this alcohol, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it and just spray it all over. Well, let me open the top, because you don't want to put your hands on it. Okay, so I'm just going to take my hand and just put it down in here like so, and just spray it. And I have a piece of paper towel, and just wipe. Okay, now when you do this, this takes any dirt, any fingerprints, or anything that may be on here. It will remove it, because you don't know what all doing, you know, when they were making the cups or shipping or anything like that. You don't know what handprints may have gotten on it, what dirt got on it when it was shipping. Okay, so this, just go ahead and remove anything from it, because once you place your design on it, you don't want any debris or anything under, you know, on the design, you know, on the tumbler when you put your design on. Okay, so make sure you flip your image. Okay, so I'm going to be using my convection oven in order to heat to use as the heat source for this. Okay. All right, y'all, so normally I would use some scissors, but I'm going to use my paper trimmer. I have this a Cricut paper trimmer. I'm going to just take my paper in and put it in and just trim the edges off, like right here, and some of the edges down here. Now this is how my design came out, absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim the white part off. Okay, all right, everyone, so what I'm going to do, I put it here in my lap, and just what I'm going to do, I know I said not to put your fingers on the tumbler, but I'm just going to wipe mine back off. But I'm just going to lay my design here in my lap, and I'm just going to take my tumbler, and I'm just going to take it and wrap it, okay? Now, what you want to do, you want to make sure you get it as tight as possible, okay? So what I'm trying to do is to make sure that mine is at the top here. I want it all the way at the top of this lip part right here, okay? So I want my design to reach all the way up. So I'm just going to take the tip of my paper in my cup and try to move it up just a little bit, okay? So what I'm going to do, now the bottom is okay. You can always trim the bottom, or you can, you know, tuck it away with your tape. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it and wrap it, okay? And you want it to be wrapped very, very tightly. And what I'm going to do is take my heat tape right here, and I'm just going to tape it, okay? I'm going to tape it very, very tightly, okay? All right, everyone, so I have wrapped my cup, and like I told you before, you just pull it tight and just put your tape on here. And I just tape mine at the bottom, okay? And I just take my hand and just give it a little twist, just like this. And to me, that just tightens it up a little bit more. Get any air bubbles out, because you do not want that, okay? All right, so now what I'm going to do, I have heated up my convection oven to 400 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead in the kitchen and put this tumbler in here. All right, so let's go into the kitchen. All right, everyone, so here is my Black & Decker convection oven. Remember, this is where I always sublimate my tumblers. In this convection oven, I absolutely love it. I haven't had any problems with it. And what you see right there is a heat gauge. All right, so all of this will be linked in the description box below if you're looking for a convection oven that will help give your tumblers some heat. All right, so I have this set at, it's almost to 400 degrees. So I'm just going to let it get to 400 degrees, and then I'm going to put it on, I'm going to try it at 4 minutes, and then I'm going to check it. And then if I need to add more time, I will. All right, so let's go ahead and put it into the oven. Set my microwave timer to 4 minutes, and then we're going to come back and check it. All right, so I just wanted to show you my tumbler. I have it laying down because in my microwave I cannot stand my tumblers up, but I would rather have it laying down like this. That's just a preference of mine. Everyone have their own preference, so that's why I wanted to so yeah, that's why I have it laying down. So I have set my microwave timer at 4 minutes, so we're going to check it after the timer goes off at 4 minutes, okay? All right, so my microwave went off at 4 minutes, so I'm just going to open the door, and I'm just going to take it. I have my heat gloves, okay? And I'm just going to take it out. Of course, it's very hot. And I just want you to see, you see the books? So you see the design coming through pretty well. So that is a pretty good sign that it's taken, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it and turn it. I made sure I looked at part of the design just to make sure I turn it in the right area. So I seen where the school bus is, which is right there. So I'm just going to turn it so the school bus will be on the top. All right, so I'm just turning it just like that. Just let the other side get a little heat. Even though it may have gotten heat all around the tumbler, I just feel more comfortable just turning it. That's just something I do. It may work for you if you don't turn it. You know, that's just totally up to you. That's something I do. There's, you know, the reason why I do it is just to make sure that the other side gets heat also, okay? Alright, so what I did, I set it for 4 minutes when I first put it into my convection oven. Then I turned it, and then I put it on 2 minutes. So I did a total of 6 minutes. So we're going to take it out and see how it looks, okay? We're going to see how it took at 6 minutes. So let's go ahead and get it out, and then we're going to go back into the other room, and I'm going to show you how everything looks. All right, everyone, so here is my design, and like I said, it looked like it may be a little brown here, but we're gonna go ahead and we're going to open this together, and we're gonna see how it looks, okay? All right, so let's see, it's cooled off, so I can use my finger to go ahead and unwrap it, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right. All right, so as you see, so far so good. All right, take this tape off. Okay, there it is. Just gonna go ahead and cut this tape off so we can go ahead, but be careful when you are taking tape off of your tumblers because you do not want to mess anything up. Okay, so let's go ahead and take all the tape off and reveal it. Oh y'all, this is so pretty. It is gorgeous. I know she is going to love this. Oh wow, look. All right, so let me show you. Now what I did right here, I just put her name in yellow, and I did like the effects. It was like an offset type of effect that I did, and I like it. I put a sunflower here, and I put a sunflower here. Okay, everything else I did like, you know, put like the school bus, the eraser, and all of the different things that teachers have. Okay, book bag, and I put teachers have class. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. I love it, y'all. Look, it turned out amazing. Oh wow, she is going to love this. She can use this for, you know, for the summer. Maybe she go to the beach, wherever she want to. Okay, so I love it. To me, there's nothing like a good handmade gift for someone. I love it. So I'm going to give this to her. I have 2 more teachers that I'm going to be making a tumbler for, but everything, the tumblers that I'm going to be making for them is going to be made the same exact way as this one. All right, so the temperature that I used is 400 degrees, and I did it for 6 minutes. Now, the 6 minutes, I would say, turned out pretty good because everything turned out. Now, if you want to decrease it to 5 minutes, you can. It just depends on your convection oven and how well your convection oven heats, because some convection ovens may get hotter, some may get, you know, hot but not really hot. Okay, so just determine what your convection oven can do, because you do not want to burn your tumblers. Of course, you don't want to burn them, but you want to make sure that they come out looking vibrant and everything. And yeah, so I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. I hope that you all have learned something. I hope that you all made some teacher appreciation gifts, or even if you don't make it for teacher appreciation, make sure you give the teacher something before the end of the school year. All right, you know me, I love to celebrate. That's what I do. So I try to find everything to celebrate, and I love celebrating people. All right, so I thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Ieasha Designed It channel. All right, you all have a blessed night, and I will see y'all in my next video.